Hello guys and welcome to CubeTubers. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube with the beginner's method. So the first step of solving the Rubik's Cube is solving the white cross and the white face. So how do we solve the cross and the white face? So first thing you want to do is put white up. So the bottom is yellow and the top is white. And then as you can see here, we need to find edges that have white. And as you can see here, one's already in place, so we can just turn it. And that makes one edge correct. And then we find an edge. And then in this case, I actually have an algorithm for it. Basically, you move these two up, back, and U prime. And that should put it up. Now, for the last stages, also this one, you can just want to move it up. And then the algorithm to do that one, and that should solve the cross. There's not really much algorithms for the cross and the white face, except rotation. So now that you solved your cross, you have to solve the corners. So find a corner. If it's facing down, I recommend doing an F, a D, or D prime. That's a D prime, and then the white should be here. Now if we need it here, we have to do R prime, D, R. That should put the corner. Now to do these ones, if it's placed but not oriented, do sorry guys, do this algorithm. And as you can see, I also do it multiple times. You have to do it multiple times for the algorithm to work. And as you can see, the white should be solved. So the next thing you want to do is second layer. So you solved white in the previous step, and now we solve this layer. So how do we solve second layer? First thing you want to do is find an edge, find its center, and make it so these colors match. If it has to go to the right, then use this algorithm. So let's just do it. And if it's on the left like this, use this algorithm. Oh, wrong edge. And repeat that for all the edges. Also, if you have something like this, just replace it with yellow edge and then put the correct edge back, but correctly this time, like this. So the next step of solving the Rubik's Cube is the yellow cross. So how do we solve the yellow cross? First, if you have a dot, hold it like this in any direction. Do this algorithm. Now you should have an opposite L. Hold it like this. so it's facing that way. And do the algorithm again. You should have a line. Hold it horizontally. Repeat the algorithm again. That should get you across. If it didn't, try again. So the next step of solving the Rubik's Cube is solving the cross with the edges all solved. So how do we solve the cross with the edges? So first thing you want to do is find the color and just move it to the place it should go. Now that you got that one edge, find two edges that have to swap, like these two. So green should go here. Hold it like this, because the algorithm that will be shown soon swaps these two edges. And now do the algorithm shown here. That should swap the two edges. And then for the last edges, they should be just one algorithm away. And there you go. That's how you solve the yellow cross with edges. So the next step of solving the 3x3 is positioning the yellow corners. Positioning, not orienting. So how do we position or solve the corners? So first thing you want to do is look at the corners and see if at least one is positioned. Like here, like I have one positioned here. As you can see, blue and orange. Now if you have none corners positioned, do this algorithm. And then you should get one positioned. Then find that positioned one and hold it on the right and do the algorithm again. So let's just do that. And repeat the algorithm until it positions all of the corners. So the next step of solving the 3x3 is orienting the yellow corners. So how do we orient the yellow corners? So first thing you want to do is you may have like some corners oriented, like maybe one's oriented or two's oriented, like here. So just hold the cube so you have an unoriented corner on the right. Now do this. Now repeat this algorithm until the corner is oriented. Now that it's oriented, do a U prime or a U so the next corner is on the right. Repeat the algorithm again and then just solve the cube. Easy. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe.